Hi, this is Paul with Promisec, and in this short instructional video, we're going to show you the integration between Promisec Endpoint Manager and Splunk. Promisec Endpoint Manager is a leading agentless endpoint detection and remediation tools used in the enterprise. This use case that we're going to discuss today allows Splunk and Promisec users to share data and simply build dashboards within the Splunk solution. You can download a trial version of Splunk Enterprises, and the instructions are down below. And in this demonstration and use case, we're going to be using the Splunk DB Connect. Of course, there's different methodologies that you can use to connect other systems to the Promisec data, such as if you wanted to use a SIM, if you wanted to use Blue Code, if you wanted to use Splunk in this case, you can always use syslog to take the information over there as well. This is the Promisec Endpoint Manager. As you can see, we have configurations targeting different endpoints and querying for different things. This information that comes from the endpoint is very valuable for compliance. Let's take a look further at the data that comes back. As you can see, for a large enterprise, lots of good information comes back. Promisec is a leader in the EDR market of gathering and giving visibility of non-compliance on endpoints. We have custom queries, we have default queries, and in an additional video, you can find out what we offer. If we take a look now at what Splunk does, Splunk has the ability to bring together the information from Promisec. We're using the DB Connect version to do that. Here is a dashboard, a simple one that we've built that just gives a high-level look into the enterprise and what's out of compliance. Remember, Promisec is exception-based reporting, and Splunk is now mining the data for us and putting the data representation in a very good light, so you can actually drill down onto the information that you find that's out there. Here we can see we have antivirus not installed on 4 machines, and this gives you that visibility that you need then to go ahead and remediate with the Promisec Endpoint tool. Here in this use case, we are managing an agent, an SCCM agent to be concise, that is not installed, and per the platform where it's not installed. Promisec also gives you the ability to do file integrity monitoring. So Promisec can go out to the endpoint and pull the hash or the SHA-1, SHA-256, and MD5 hash, and then it can be put into a representable dashboard for our customers, looking at what is the most critical hashes out there. And this is automatically done by VirusTotal, because Promisec will take the information or just the hash and send it there. And then, as you can see, we've put it into a presentable format here as well. As well as we can get the CVE information, the common vulnerabilities and exposures that Promisec has built in from MITRE. So this is a wealth of information that benefits Promisec users using Splunk. Again, if you have any questions, you can reach out to Promisec at sales@promisec.com and support@promisec.com. Thanks for listening, and check for more additional videos as they come out.